Troubleshooting and maintenance. Troubleshooting. The first step in troubleshooting is always to check the log files. On Windows systems, the logs are located in the application's Logs folder. The service log contains system events, transactions, warnings, and error messages. The bin folder includes a useful log viewer application. Open the current day's service log to make the log easier to read. You can also right-click the column headers to customize the displayed information. Error messages are highlighted in red. Read these entries carefully, as they usually indicate the cause of the problem. You can also use the filter field to search for specific words or phrases within the log. On Linux systems, the application log is located at /opt/qnet7/logs. You can display the log file, for example, using the cat command. Because the user interfaces are web-based, the browser's developer tools can also provide valuable diagnostic information. Press F12 to open the developer tools, then select the Console tab. If necessary, reload the page by pressing F5 to capture the latest messages. If the problem still persists, send the log files and any relevant screenshots to support@q-net.com, together with a brief description of the issue. Backup and restore. The system allows you to create backups from the administration page under Central Settings. Click Create Backup, select the data types to include, then confirm by clicking OK. To restore a previous backup, select it from the list and click Restore. Migrating to a new server. You may occasionally need to move the system to another server. In this case, restore the database using the backup file. You should also copy the contents of the media folder to the new server. This folder contains uploaded media files, advertisements, voice files, and other media resources used by the system.